Yo, what's going on? This is going to be a trade recap of what trade I took on Friday. So, going in to market open. Market open is, hold on, are we in? Yeah, it's right here. Market open is right there. And if you've watched any of my backtesting videos, which I don't blame you if you haven't because they're really long, they're like an hour long each one. And I'm very slow and not very good at explaining what's happening, but this is what I've been practicing in this back testing. We have a big old loop like this. You see this? See how it goes, it's like that, the big old loop, and you can see it like right here. Like right there or right here. It's whenever there's a reversal. Um there's another one. This would be one right here. See how this is a big arch, so it'd be down here. But it's pretty much the highest, or if it's like this, it's like the lowest 5-minute fair value gap. I guarantee this is one right here. Where's the lowest 5-minute fair value gap? All right, it's right here. I can probably pretty well predict that. Look at that. You see that? You see how it respects this lowest 5-minute fair value gap? That's really the entire strategy, is literally just the lowest 5-minute fair value gap. Just take a trade off that. And so what I saw here, of course, you want some other confluences as well. So what I saw here was we had this little thing, the loop, right? We had I also have been using like support and resistance kind of, but you can see right here that we have some wicks and supporting, and then we broke through and had some wicks resisting. And so I knew this area would be good. Plus, we had a low volume node right here, as you can see. And since these were stacked like this, I ended up making it one big one like that. Making it a big, one giant 5-minute fair value gap. And what we do is we just enter off of the equilibrium, the consequent encroachment. And it's a really good if it lines up with this, and you can see that is pretty close. If it lines up with us with a previous support or resistance like this, then it's the higher quality the setup is. And so since we had that, was pretty good. We got the loop. We had a low volume node. That's really all I was looking for. And so we had a limit. If you see the live trading, it was the last video. We had a limit at this consequent encroachment, and we had a short position. And now usually what I usually do in the back testing is I wait until we fill the closest 5-minute gap. And as you can see, we filled it, and then we immediately kept moving up. I did not, though. I took profits at this wick right here, because we are in a pretty heavy uptrend. And so I thought that maybe we'll just react off that. But I was up $1,200, and so I took that profit. I only ended the day up about 300. I think it was like 295 that I ended the day up. And let me explain to you why, because this is a $1,200 trade with practically zero drawdown. Let me explain to you what happened here. So what I saw is I saw that we had swept London high, right? And then I kind of got greedy. Okay, I got pretty greedy. These are stacked 1 minutes, so I just used one big 1 minute. But as you can see, we closed with a very strong candle beneath this. So I thought maybe we'd come down. Where am I? Right here. I thought maybe we'd come down to this 5-minute right here. But as you can see, I entered right at, you can't see it, but we'll delete this. I entered right at the close right here. Then I targeted like somewhere like right there. And I think it was negative R trade. Maybe like a 1R trade, but you guys see we just didn't respect this at all. We went straight up. So if I had not taken this trade, which was only based on the 1-minute IFEG and the sweep of London High, then we could have been up about $1,200. But that was a mistake on my part, and I should have stuck to the plan. And as you can see, also we perfectly respected this wick, this level right here. We perfectly respected it, and yeah, I would have been up 1,200, but I lost 1,000 on this, lost 1,000, and so we were unable to get a big day. We basically were slightly above break even. We're up 200. We're up 210. We didn't even get. We were just 200, not even 300. So honestly, pretty disappointed in myself for taking that. Should have just waited for this, but it is what it is. Not the end of the world. And so that's basically my trade for Friday. And it would be February 6th. That was yesterday, actually. What am I saying? That was yesterday. So anyway, if you want to learn more about this, you can watch my backtesting videos. I don't got a course, so no course yet. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. Quick 7-minute video. Y'all should try this out. Just look for this big reversal like this, and try the farthest 5-minute gap. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. Peace.